Interesting stories which my grandmother remembered well about how wounded he was by some of the controversies that blew up around him. Obviously, famously, Abraham Khan, the editor of the Vorwärts, but other figures as well. Writers who had been friendly with him at one stage and then snubbed him and didn't want to have anything to do with him and accused him of going over to Christianity and all these things. And he was obviously a very sensitive man, and took these slights and very much to heart. And my grandmother, in turn, took those on as the daughter. And we'd talk about certain writers, and she would still be angry about how they had treated her father, 50 years later. So those sorts of things were very much still around as we grew up.